Good morning. Today is the last day we're going to deal with hyperbolas. We're going to graph them. You'll have 6 to graph and they're very easy. Just, be as neat as you can. Some of you might struggle with that. But the first thing you're going to do when you look at an equation is decide if it's vertical or if it's horizontal. And this first one is a vertical because the y is first and it's positive. Whoever's positive decides the direction. So now we go on and we put our A, B, H, and K. I'm not even going to have you draw the foci or anything like that. You just have to draw the basic hyperbola. So the A is the first guy you see. So if 4 is A squared, A is 2. And if 16 is B squared, B is 4. And H is the guy next to the X with the opposite sign. And K is the guy next to the Y with the opposite sign, but there's a 0 next to the Y. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw you're going to plot the center. So -1, 0 is right here. Well, it's almost there. I have a dog dropping a hedgehog on my feet. Anyway, so we're going to go, since it's vertical, A goes up and down, and B goes left and right. So we're going to go up 2, down 2, and then we're going to go right 4, and left 4. And then we're going to draw that rectangle. I'm going to draw that in red. As best I can. And then I'm going to draw lines that go through the corners of the rectangles. And if you're doing this on paper, you can use a ruler. I'm kind of limited. All right. So since it's vertical, you're going to go from the vertex and you're going to hug that asymptote, hug that asymptote, and hug this asymptote and this one in an up and down manner. Okay? So the second one, as you can suspect, is horizontal. So we're going to do this here, horizontal. And A, B, H, and K. The A is going to be 3, because the first number we see is a 9. Square root of 9 is 3. The second one is a 5, because the square root of 25 is 5. H is a 2, because there's a -2 next to the X. And K is a 0 again. So we know it's horizontal. We still plot the center as 2, 0. But now A goes left and right, and B goes up and down because it's horizontal. So we're going to go 3 to the right here, and 3 to the left. And then we're going to go 5 up, and 5 down. We're going to draw our rectangle. And then we're going to draw our 2 lines. But since this one's horizontal, we're going to go here and draw our parabolas this way. We're zooming tomorrow. There was a big power outage in Charlotte, and some people do not have power. So if your teachers don't show up for a Zoom, it could be that. We're going to try to get you more information today as to who's available and who's not. So I'm available. So you're lucky, lucky, lucky people. Anyway, hope you had a great weekend and see you tomorrow on Zoom.